Are you tired of struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't seem to go away? In this video, we will show you how to lose your belly fat by doing this simple 10-minute workout at home. This routine is perfect for beginners and requires no equipment, so you can do it anywhere. Say goodbye to excess belly fat and hello to a healthier, happier you. So let's get started. Welcome back to our channel where fitness meets motivation. We understand that losing belly fat can be a common struggle for many people. That's why we are dedicated to providing you with effective strategies and workouts to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Today, we are thrilled to share with you a routine that has proven successful in helping others eliminate their belly fat. Before we dive into the routine, let's take a moment to talk about the importance of proper warm-up. Warming up your body before exercise is crucial to prevent injuries and prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. To start, stand up and stretch your arms overhead. Hold this position for a few seconds to loosen up your spine. Next, perform some jumping jacks to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Continue by bringing your hands together in front of you and bending your knees slightly. Push your hips forward and down while keeping your back straight. Relax and return to the starting position and repeat. These exercises not only warm up your muscles, but also target the core and lower body. Now that your body is warmed up and ready to go, it's time to move on to the main workout. This routine consists of 5 exercises, each targeting different muscle groups to help you burn calories and reduce fat effectively. The great thing about this routine is that it doesn't require any equipment, making it convenient and accessible for anyone. Let's jump right in. Exercise No. 1. Bicycle crunches. To begin, lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and elbows by your sides. Lift your shoulders and head off the ground and engage your abdominal muscles. Bend your left knee and bring your left foot towards your right elbow. Extend your left leg back out and simultaneously lift your right shoulder and elbow off the ground. Twist your body to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. As you twist, straighten your left leg back out. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion, engaging your abdominal muscles throughout the exercise. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and avoid pulling on your neck or arching your back. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions on each side, and once you finish one side, make sure to complete the same number of repetitions on the other side. By the end of the exercise, you should have completed 2 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. Rest for a few seconds between sets to recover, and then move on to the next exercise. Exercise No. 2. Plank position. For this exercise, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned with your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and holding this position. Remember to keep your hips level and avoid arching or sagging. To modify, you can drop your knees to the ground while maintaining a straight back. For added intensity, raise your hips slightly, forming an incline. To determine the duration of your plank hold, use the 2-point method. If you're a beginner, aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Between sets, rest for 15 to 30 seconds. As you progress, increase the difficulty and duration of your plank holds. Challenge yourself with advanced variations like side planks and forearm planks. Exercise No. 3. Squat jumps. Begin in a standing position with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms by your sides. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Keep your back straight and chest up. As you squat, keep your knees in line with your feet and ensure your depth is comfortable. Once you reach the bottom of the squat, explode upward, jumping off the ground. When you land, aim to maintain balance and control. Immediately drop back into a squat position and repeat. For beginners, start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Rest for 15 to 30 seconds between sets. As you gain strength, increase the intensity and repetition count. You can also add variations such as squat jumps with arms overhead or lateral squat jumps to engage more muscle groups. Exercise No. 4. Tricep dips. To perform tricep dips, start with your hands behind your head and elbows by your sides. Bend your knees and lift your hips off the ground. Keep your back straight and chest up. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows until your shoulders are in line with your elbows. Push through your elbows to lift your body back up to the starting position. For added intensity, you can elevate your feet on a platform to increase the range of motion. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, resting for 15 to 30 seconds between sets. As you progress, increase the difficulty and repetition count. Exercise No. 5 Russian Twists. Start in a seated position with your knees bent and feet elevated. Lean back slightly, engaging your abdominal muscles. Lift your feet off the ground and rotate your body to the right, twisting your hips and shoulders. Bring your feet back to the center and repeat the rotation to the left. Continue alternating sides in a controlled motion. Keep your movement steady and avoid swinging. Gradually increase the speed and intensity as you become more comfortable. For beginners, start with 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Rest for 15 to 30 seconds between sets and gradually progress to more challenging levels. You can also increase the difficulty by holding a weight or medicine ball for added resistance. Congratulations, you've completed all 5 exercises of our routine. Give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. Now let's move on to the cool down and stretching portion of our session. Stretching is an essential part of any workout routine and should not be overlooked. It helps improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and promote relaxation. For this routine, we recommend focusing on stretches that target the core and lower body muscles worked during the workout. One effective stretch is the Cobra pose, which targets the abdominal muscles. Start on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Press into your hands and lift your chest and head off the ground. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Another great stretch is the downward-facing dog, which stretches the hamstrings and calves. Start on your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Lift your hips up and push your hands and feet firmly into the ground. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. We've made it to the end of our 10-minute routine designed to help you lose belly fat. We hope you enjoyed this workout and found it helpful in targeting your core and lower body muscles. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. We encourage you to incorporate this routine into your weekly workout schedule and stick with it to see results. Additionally, don't forget the importance of a balanced diet and other forms of exercise. Combine this routine with cardio and upper body workouts for a well-rounded fitness plan. We appreciate you joining us on this journey to a healthier lifestyle. Please like and share this video if you found it valuable. Your support motivates us to continue creating helpful content for you. Stay tuned for more informative videos on weight loss, fitness, and nutrition. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in achieving your fitness goals.